Growth begins when we start to accept our own weakness. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. The only thing standing between you and your goal is the story you keep telling yourself.
Change your thoughts, and you change your world. The unexpected delay in the project caused some inconvenience. Advanced technologies have transformed the way we communicate and interact. The team worked together to solve the complex problem efficiently. She completed her research on the effects of urbanization on local wildlife. The company's decision to expand internationally required significant investment. Learning a new language can open doors to exciting opportunities. The government announced new measures to address climate change. He decided to take the longer route to avoid the traffic congestion. The movie was so captivating that I forgot to check the time. Despite the heavy rain, they decided to continue their hike in the mountains. The new restaurant downtown has received excellent reviews for its food. Many people prefer online shopping because it is convenient and fast. It's important to read the instructions carefully before starting the test. The professor explained the topic with great enthusiasm and clarity. The museum is located at the corner of Main Street and Fifth Avenue. The weather forecast predicts heavy rain. We need to leave before it gets dark.
A computer virus destroyed all my files. There is a lot more about this topic in the university website. At that time, people moved from towns to villages. None of the students found it difficult to get a job. Essays and assignments should be submitted to the department office before the deadline. The origin of psychology can be traced back to ancient Greece. Knowledge becomes a vital role in young generations. It is expected that all students have their own laptops. Such behaviors are regarded as a deviation of the norm. Application forms for sharing accommodations must be completed 2 months in advance. Telecommunication is based on the array of networks. Social work is not the only subject in sociology. Newspapers around the country are reporting the stories of the president.
The university's MBA program is ranked among the top in the world. The business school offers internships and networking opportunities. The university offers scholarships to help students with financial need.
Computer failure is not an excuse for not submitting assignments on time. To start your visit, I'm just going to give you a brief account of the history of the museum.